Namo Buddhaya. Today, when we look around the world, we see the society is facing lots of problems. There is war, there is challenge, there is a battle, not only in the personal life, but also in the country, but in the society. People are suffering altogether in many ways. One of the cause or the reason why many people suffering around the world directly or indirectly is because the war. Indeed, the person or the leaders or the country which is doing war for the winning, and that the other side, the leaders or country, the people who are doing the war for their own winning, there's no one going to be win indeed, because the one who is going to be win the war is going to face the challenge to protect it, and the person who is going to lose the war is also going to suffer because thinking he lost. So there's no indeed happiness in this war. So that's why we need to think about it. We know that every people like to be happy and have a peaceful life and joyful life in the society, but just having a thought is not enough. We must work for the peaceful environment. For that, what we need to do is we need to put our thoughts into action, then it will be happen. So indeed in Buddhism it says nahi verena verani sammanti the kudhachanang averena cha sammanti esadammo sanantanu. That means hatred never ends with hatred. Hatred ends with loving kindness. This is the ancient wisdom. So, saying so, I wish you all the best. May all together join us to make a peaceful society. May all be happy, healthy, and peaceful.